And na former President John Adekum Kufuor, the interview better about video be an trendy, no case MPP for and neglecting the see may in chain, or take decision biana, or friend. Am I nra? Solomon Owusu, our Alan boy, Equatna, Accra FM, Equatu to be money papay, Nene, was she meter, TV3. I hire Alan Media Ghana. Senedi can hear messages or best subscriber like it, no one share no comment no at all. A mammy. Young run seminum. Aya alarm boy friend Solomon Owusu. Enra Akwatana Accra FM. Eko blaste former President John Adekum Kufuor se oya zaman na emra na nado eba ya na all say party no. Omo kanya wankasa na ene de ye nesi nchen a afero ba bekasa no or withdraw ne support awon in April in the year 2017. Inti papa no ya zama na MPP kura yi ni si nche na na efi said na nado down kwa Kufuor do baaye no ne ayi kura ne monthly salary kura no na ye mfa ma no inti enye nne eno beka say ye yi no esi nche nene eno okopie mu ewo TV3 nene akohye ni mita eye Dr. Zaato one na akohye ho na sa issue ya okofa baaye na ene onuaba ma enye easy watutu bi ma Dr. Zaato so blasting on Emma kwaye gidigidi a Emma host no host program no oko off air by force yango video ni mra American for Security and Tech Solution Service Enfamount so we dumakuo bi wasi a factory anase company now per se security yet tie so per fence wall say ye electrify wo fence no Enfamount na yen say ye ma wo aye CCTV cameras ai bi twa honum nyina na se solar panels a ebeboa say light crack off a wo honum endum na light be gina 24/7 a me kan for Security and Tech Solution Service the amount from na enu enye adwuma from 0244 571 977 and 020-670-9117.
On the MPP subject.
No, on what he just said.
About former president.
Yes. I think Solomon is being completely disingenuous.
No, it is
and
not.
I don't like the fact that you sit down here and you are trying to.
It was just an
Kufuor, you are just trying to say to say these bad things. It's not fair. MPP fed you, Solomon. MPP put food on your table. MPP put clothes on your person.
Let me put it on record. Let me put it on record. I have never enjoyed one single
Kufuor, when he appointed Alan Chiramenteng as minister for this long time, you never attacked him. You were not being fair to him, and you were not being fair to the new patriotic party that you are running down. When they gave appointments to Alan Chiramenteng from 2017 to 2020, you didn't attack the new patriotic party. You didn't say they were bad. When Kufuor appointed Alan Chiramenteng, you did not come out to say Kufuor was a bad person. You didn't say that. When Alan Chiramenteng was enjoying the benefits of it and you were enjoying with him, the MPP was best. The MPP were angels. The MPP was good. All of a sudden, Alan leaves the MPP and the MPP is bad. That is not principle. You are not being principled on that. That means that when the MPP is there and they are given to your boss and you get to benefit from some, the MPP is good. That means that when the MPP is not given to your boss and you're not benefiting from some, the MPP is bad. That is not principle politics. That is stomach politics. And I think that we should eschew from that. You cannot sit here and be trying to run down the reputation of people just because they are not giving you to eat again. It's not fair. We shouldn't do that. And leadership, I don't sit here and insult leadership. I don't call names. When you call names and you insult leaders, it's just bad. Let's talk about the issues. Let's talk about the principles and stop degenerating into gutter politics. It's not nice. This policy of
it's about the fuel allowance that have been scrapped. Just to put it again.
This fuel
you are now with a movement for change. Why are you so passionate about what he said?
Roland, I mean, he was the last person I was expecting to come out at this time because, interestingly, he's one of the two people that endeared me to the MPP. But his life after leaving office really is nothing to write about.
But you can't say that about
No, he is the reason why the party has collapsed. He sat down unconcerned when Kufuor was destroying everything. When he spoke to him...
Destroy?
Oh, he has destroyed everything. And always he put up that posture of the gentle giant.
Is he not?
Being gentle does not mean you will sit down for things to degenerate. I mean, Martin Niemöller, what did he say? That they came for the socialists. Nobody was in his aid. Then they went for the Jews. Nobody went into his aid. Then they came for it. Now, whom do you expect to speak for you? They went for Paul Afoko, someone that was legitimately voted for. Did you ever hear a statement from President Kufuor?
Maybe he was trying to be a statesman. What do you think?
What is statesman? When an illegality, a crime was being perpetrated by someone who has supported you all his life. You never spoke. You behaved as a gentle giant. Allow them to remove him with impunity.
Perhaps he didn't want to jeopardize the chances of.
Then they went for Kwabena Japan. He sat down. He did not speak.
But he's a great ally.
They went for Alan Chamanti. He kept quiet. He did not speak.
Alan Chamanti.
He did not know. He has never supported him. Make no mistake. That is one thing that has to be cleared. He has never supported Alan. Now they have gone.
On the MPP subject.
No, on what he just said.
About former president.
Yes. I think Solomon is being completely disingenuous.
No, it is
and
not.
I don't like the fact that you sit down here and you are trying to.
It was just an event.
You are just trying to say to say these bad things. It's not fair. MPP fed you, Solomon. And people put food on your table. And people put clothes on your person.
Let me put it on record. Let me put it on record. I have never enjoyed one single
Abusia ene se ne tie no no se wa wani ehu ene ekoso omo mienu movement for change eya Alan Boy Solomon Owusu ene Dr. Zaato omo tututu bi manum wo chen se wo MPP afidi wo MPP ahye watade ene wo begina ho abegu party ne ho fi abekasa tia panimu wo ma ontwe ma abusia memu wadwen kire e wo comment section ho amenkamfo security and tech solution service enfamount so wo ye dumakuo bi wasi a factory anase company now per se security ye tie so per fence wall say ye electrify wo fence no enfamount na ye say ye ma wo aye CCTV cameras ai bi twa honum nyina na se solar panels a ebeboa say light crack off a wo honum no endum na light be gina so 24/7 a me kamfo security and tech solution service the amount from na enu eni adwuma from 0244 571 977 and 020 670 9117.